After downloading Recovery Manager, log in as an administrator and extract the files. Once the files have been extracted, go to the subdirectory and click to install Recovery Manager for Active Directory. Important to note, this version is the base Recovery Manager and does not allow an organization to have full resilience to recover to different infrastructure. To prepare for disaster recovery scenarios, please contact your Quest account team to discuss available options. Select License File and configure with Express Edition. The install is now complete. Next, we will create a backup. Open Recovery Manager and create a collection. Add at least one domain controller into the collection. It's recommended to schedule backup intervals prior to migration activities. Encryption of the backup file is configurable. The Recovery Manager server name should manually be added and protected as a Tier 0 object. Verify the local storage options. If there is any remote storage, the location of remote storage should also be categorized as Tier 0.